How to fix Instagram couldn't change photo in less than 1 minute. So hello guys, if you have this problem, this video is gonna be helping you a lot. So all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps manager. And after that, here on this page, all what you have to do is just go to the apps like this and wait a few seconds. It will start loading the page where you will find all the apps. After that, scroll down until you find Instagram. And when you find it, now all what you have to do here is very simple. Just go to the permissions option and click on it. Now make sure to enable all the permissions right here, and especially the storage permission. And then go back, and this time go and click on the force stop option. And then all what you have to do is go to the power usage details, scroll down and click on force stop. Now all what you have to do is reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.